Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin K. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in your body, primarily by supporting healthy blood clotting and maintaining strong bones. It helps produce specific proteins vital for these functions. The good news is that most adults typically get enough vitamin K through their everyday meals, making severe deficiencies quite rare. We'll explore how to ensure you're getting what you need. Vitamin K comes in two main forms: K1, known as phylloquinone, and K2, called menaquinones. Vitamin K1 is primarily found in plant-based foods, especially dark green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. On the other hand, vitamin K2 is typically sourced from animal products such as meats, cheeses, and eggs, as well as fermented foods like the traditional Japanese dish, natto. Both forms are important for your health. The benefits of vitamin K are significant. It is essential for proper blood clotting, helping your body heal from injuries and preventing excessive bleeding. Beyond that, vitamin K plays a key role in maintaining strong, healthy bones by assisting in the creation of vital bone-building proteins. For daily intake, adult women generally need about 90 micrograms, while adult men should aim for 120 micrograms to support these crucial bodily functions. When considering vitamin K, there are a few important points. If you are taking blood-thinning medications, such as warfarin, it is crucial to maintain a consistent daily intake of vitamin K to avoid interfering with your medication. For newborns, a vitamin K injection is routinely given shortly after birth to prevent a serious bleeding condition. Remember, always speak with a healthcare provider before starting any vitamin K supplements to ensure it's right for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.